What is up, everyone? Are you guys also sick and tired of the same old, fragile glass sandwiches? Do your thumbs ache for that nostalgic, satisfying click-clack of a real keypad? Well, hold on to your seats. Because the device we are talking about today isn't just a phone, it is a literal tank. It's got that classic BlackBerry soul, but with blazing fast 5G speed, and durability that hits like a rock. Yes, for all you typing addicts out there, say hello to the Unihertz Titan 3 5G. If you thought physical keyboards were dead, this phone is here to prove you wrong. So, let's deep dive into this absolute monster. Design and keyboard. Let's kick things off with the main event, the reason this phone exists, the QWERTY keyboard. Guys, we are talking about a gorgeous, backlit physical keyboard. That means you can type at warp speed even in pitch black. But wait, there's more. These aren't just buttons, the entire keyboard acts as a capacitive trackpad. You want to scroll through Twitter or swipe through emails? Just brush your fingers over the keys. It is buttery smooth, and the design, bro, this isn't a phone, it's a brick. Rugged build quality, metal frame, and a heft that lets you know you are holding a serious piece of machinery. Display. Now, you're probably thinking, it has a keyboard, so the screen must be tiny, right? Nope. The Titan 3 features a massive 4.5-inch square touchscreen. It's not tall and skinny like regular phones, it's wide, perfect for multitasking and crushing emails. We're looking at a crisp 1440 x 1440 resolution protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. Drop it, spike it, or dunk it in water, this screen isn't going anywhere. Performance. It's not just brawn, this thing has brains too. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 5G processor. That means, believe it or not, you can actually game on this thing. We're talking PUBG and COD mobile on high settings. Paired with a whopping 16 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of storage, lag is virtually impossible. This is strictly for the professionals, who want to run their entire office from their pocket. Camera setup. Usually, rugged phones have potato cameras, right? Wrong. The Titan 3 5G is rocking a triple camera setup on the back, headlined by a massive 108-megapixel primary shooter. But the real party trick? The second lens is a 20-megapixel night vision camera. Yes, you heard that right. This phone can see in total pitch black darkness. Whether you're camping or doing some 007 spy work, this feature is insane. Rounding it out is an 8-megapixel macro lens, and for the selfies, you've got a sharp 32-megapixel front shooter. Battery backup. To power a heavy phone, you need a heavy battery. Unihertz has stuffed a massive 7000 mAh battery inside this beast. Charge it once, and forget about the wall plug for like 3 days. And if you do manage to kill it, the 66-watt fast charging will juice it back up in minutes. Oh, and yes, it supports wireless charging too. Price and launch date. Alright, let's talk numbers. The price. With these unique features and a bulletproof body, leaks suggest the price point is going to land somewhere between $500 to $600 USD. This is a premium niche device, it's not for everyone, it's for the true legends. As for availability, it is set to launch globally very soon, in the first quarter of 2026. So, would you ditch your glass slab for this tank? Let me know in the comments.